All right, folks, we got Bitcoin coming in at $22,000. Not looking too rosy today in the crypto space. A few things I want to talk about. This is breaking news. Silvergate Bank has shut down completely. As you know, Silvergate Bank, this was the bank, of course, crypto bank. A lot of crypto companies and exchanges use Silvergate Bank to get USD onto their exchange. It's kind of like a means of exchange. They are shutting down. They've been tanking for the last 6 months. We can never forget the crypto banter curse. We always have to remember the crypto banter curse, folks. Crypto banter, of course, telling everybody to buy it when it was at $14.
The other thing that I'm watching is the Silvergate Bank. We'll talk about this, but what you can see when it comes to Silvergate Bank is that if you go from August, Silvergate Bank is down 75%. This could be an opportunity. We'll talk about it.
Could be an opportunity. I guess it wasn't Rand. I was listening to Crypto Rand today, and he's still talking about it. At least now he's telling you it might be a risky play. But just this morning, he's trying to get people to buy Silvergate Bank.
Chance, I have been reading articles that they are in talks with officials to try and salvage the bank, and they are looking for more capital and stuff like that. So, look, for those of you who are real degens and are looking for real risk, like crazy motherfucker risk, you may want to take a nibble at this. I don't know.
At least he's telling you there's a risk this time. But it is amazing. Like, and literally like an hour after he made this video, 2 hours later, they come out and say the bank is over. There's no more bank. Everything this guy touches turns to shit. It really is incredible. So yeah, Silvergate Bank tanking. That's probably why Bitcoin is under $22,000 right now. In the end, I don't think Silvergate Bank's going to have too much effect on the crypto market. I think what's going to have more of an effect is the whole inflation situation we've been talking about and the Fed not pivoting, which will in turn tank tech stocks, and Bitcoin will plummet with it. But a lot of people are thinking that Bitcoin might plummet down to like $20,000, something like that, if we go down that low, and then we're going to shoot up from there. So now is not the time to be like running away, scared, selling your coins or anything like that. There is an interesting story today. Now, this could also have an effect on the market. This could actually have a pretty big effect on the market. Silk Road Bitcoin for sale. U.S. government linked addresses, okay, transfers $1 billion in BTC. U.S. law enforcement agencies have confiscated thousands of Bitcoin from that Silk Road exchange. You guys remember that? I think it was an exchange got hacked, blah, blah, blah. Involved in illegal things, and the U.S. government seized the Bitcoin. Well, today, over 50,000 Bitcoin from that government-linked address worth $1 billion removed from multiple wallets connected to the United States government law enforcement seizures and transferred to new addresses. Some moved to Coinbase. Now, of course, if the government's moving coins to Coinbase, that's 100% to sell. There's no question about it. There's no other way they would do it. So, yeah, if the U.S. government starts selling some of those Bitcoins, we're probably gonna see that $20,000 Bitcoin. And you know what? It's just like in crypto, it kind of like when it rains, it pours. You know, we pump hard and then we dump hard. It does look like the rest of March is probably gonna suck. I mean, let's just be honest. Doesn't have to, but a $19,000 or $20,000 Bitcoin. I mean, if the U.S. government starts selling all their freaking Bitcoin, folks, just have money on the side to buy. The whole Silvergate Bank situation, I think that's like a drop in the bucket. I mean, it is a big deal because a lot of companies do use it to get liquidity into the market. But I think some other means will pop up to be able to get money into the market. But I think the government dumping Bitcoin is could cause a bigger short-term move in the crypto space. So, yeah, two big stories, Silvergate and the Coinbase news. Let's see what else is going on. And I want to do a little quick Coinbase talk. As you guys know, we've been buying Coinbase on this channel ever since like $30. Cathie Wood, I guess she was involved with Silvergate as well, but she's also buying more Coinbase stock. It really does look like when the dust settles next year, going into the next bull market, that Coinbase is probably going to be the premier exchange that anybody in the United States, even not just the United States, anybody in the West or anybody in the civilized world, like even Europe, I think people are just going to be using Coinbase because it's going to have all the regulations. Even the U.S. government, when they want to sell their coins, they're sending it to Coinbase. So I do think Coinbase is an absolute buy right now. Could definitely dump further with all the tech stocks dumping if everything dumps in the coming month. But I think people should still be looking at Coinbase just as I am. I do have some Coinbase. I sold some, and I'm looking to accumulate more. But I do think the stock market might dump a little bit more, and that might take Coinbase down with it. But a lot of big money is buying Coinbase, and you can't deny that Coinbase will probably be the one exchange that just turns into just the one, like I said, the one exchange that has all the legal paperwork, all the licenses, the government is behind it, and I just think that's going to be like, it's probably going to take like over 99% of the market share in the United States, especially with all the FUD you hear going up against Binance right now. So I think Coinbase is like the chosen one. So that's pretty much it, folks. Two big stories, and Bitcoin is pretty much dumping. So, I think right now we're getting a dump off that Silvergate Bank news. It just happened like 40 minutes ago or something like that. So it's kind of new news. Will that take Bitcoin down to like $20,000? I really don't know, but a lot of these alts are going to get absolutely hammered. But you got to stay strong, buy these dips, have money on the side, because, folks, we only got a year left to that Bitcoin halving. And like I've been saying for the past year, I do think the second half of 2023 will be bullish for Bitcoin. And I do think we're going to be over $40,000 by the end of the year for Bitcoin. But this is crypto. There's no guarantees, but I'm still absolutely bullish. I'm looking to buy some dips, looking to get my Cardano under 25 cents and all that good stuff. But like I said, this is crypto. We could dump right back up to $25,000 tomorrow, so do not panic sell this dump. I know a lot of you out there are going to try to panic sell this, thinking we're going back down to $15,000. Folks, it is just not worth it at this point. It is just not worth it. If you wanted to take profits, you should have at $24,000 or $25,000. Now that we're going back down to $21,000, it's just buy the dips at this point. All right, folks, like and subscribe. Talk to you later.